Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 is at RandyTV house. Why? I don't see that. Oh, yeah. So somebody's having a birthday today. You want to know who's having a birthday today?
Well.
T.D.
Who?
T.D. Terry.
Oh.
T.D. Happy birthday, T. Yeah. I don't recall. She's probably about 31 years young, I think. I think 31 years young. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Say to you. There you go. All right. So, you know, I used to song like her, Maka. Oh, it's my birthday, everybody. I'm about to laugh too, though. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, and guess what? More news, bro. She engaged. All right. Stubborn old jackass. Hey, T, if you watching this, do you remember Randy? You remember him? Look at him. Well, that's just in case she watching, you know.
She ain't watching.
Huh?
Probably ain't watching.
Well, if it's previously recorded and I stop the tape,
She gonna watch it.
yeah, she gonna
Probably.
well technically Lakeivia gonna say, oh, go on Domino's video, go on Domino's Facebook. Oh, he was talking about you. Oh, what he was saying about me? He better not be jealous. I'm engaged, boy. You better not come on me. Yes, indeed. This is almost like a comedy show. So somebody was just watching. Well, you taste the difference.
Man, listen.
Hell yes. Mackenzie's Donuts was alright, but Lawrence Bakery is the best.
Wait, what? Lawrence Bakery?
You never heard of Lawrence Bakery?
That's a local bakery?
Oh yeah, it was. It was on Fillmore and
Well, I never heard of it before. I never had it.
It was on Fillmore and Elysian Fields.
My favorite. My favorite was Taste. Well, you still have Taste, right?
Yep, was, tastes, and still is. You idiot. You idiot.
The donut, huh?
Huh?
Still got donuts, huh?
Who,
Tasty, they still got donuts.
hell yes, and they still got castle burgers and they still fried chicken.
For fried chicken.
Yep, I think they still sell fried chicken.
I never knew they sell fried chicken.
No, they fried chicken and sell it.
They sell it right.
Oh yeah, and you know, Crusoe, you used to work there.
Yeah.
Crusoe the third.
Yeah.
Mr. Crusoe's son.
That boy died?
Who? Oh, you talking about him? Oh, that. Oh yeah, he was on Family Matters. Yeah, of course. Shirley before Katrina, I think. All right, Tara Lynn. Happy birthday, Tara Lynn. Yeah, but you know what? You know what I'm thinking about? I'm thinking about featuring her and her fiance on my show soon.
Yeah.
I think that's gonna be a good interview. Well, what you think?
Nice.
Of course. Well. Yep. So and you know she still look like Tanika Ware. I wish I could introduce them to each other. You know, I probably wouldn't tell them apart. What you think? I wouldn't tell Tanika and Terrell apart. The only difference is Tanika is taller than Terrell Lynn. Telleran. You remember I told you she had said her name was Telleran?
Yeah.
You remember that? ABC VCR. Well. All right, so. Oh Lord.
This has been a presentation of ABC Sports.
All right, I want to tell you though.
As the leader in sports television.
Well.
Yeah, different now.
Well.
You never caught them before.
Nah. Yeah. Yeah, I sure would like to feature TT on my show one day. But I hope she don't say nothing out of ordinary. I filmed her before. And the sister Tahara was filming on a damn Snapchat. You know? Yeah, her sister was filming on a damn Snapchat, you know?
Yeah.
I don't like being on no Snapchat.
Why not?
The video is temporary. I hate it. I hate being filmed and they're not gonna post it on YouTube or something. You know? Yeah, so. Alright. Alright. Oh yeah, I went to church this morning.
Yeah.
Did you watch my video? You bastard. He's a jackass, y'all.
I ain't got no.
Your ass. Regina Bell. Yeah, it was doing MC Hammer's moves or something.
Like 94, 91. God dang.
Big break. ABC. All right. MT. Entertainment Tonight. All right. Yeah, Channel 8 used to be ABC, and they switched it to, you already know. Too late for that. All right. Well, anyway, you know, my Auntie Sharon is watching my show too.
Yeah.
If it's previously recorded and I stop it, she gonna watch it. Yeah. She watched my church video though. My Auntie Diana's watching too. Probably, you know. Hey, Auntie, if you watching? And hello, whoever else is watching. Warren Bell. Warren Bell. You remember Warren Bell, huh? All right, that's it, folks.